Come on, Stacy. Put that napkin up your nose like you just had it a couple minutes
you
ago.
must have Alzheimer's because I didn't do anything. Put it back on.
Yes, look at that sweet innocent face now. Look at, oh my God. Can she turn it on? Wait till I show your boyfriend. What about the seaweed coming out of your nose?
What seaweed? I'm innocent. I didn't do anything.
Look at her, Joe. Look at the sweet innocent.
I'm innocent. I didn't do anything.
Go ahead, turn in. Look at that.
We'll show that to her when she gets married at 34.
I didn't do anything.
We'll show that.
Look at her.
What? Stop blaming me. I never did anything. I'm innocent.